Gardening mistakes that beginners can make when starting an allotment and a gardening. So there's plenty of mistakes out there, and I make mistakes all the time down at the allotment. I'm still making them 20 years later down here at the plot, and every day is a learning day, and I'm still learning every single day. So what are the biggest mistakes that people seem to make when they're beginning an allotment? And the main one being is trying to do too much at once. Now, whenever somebody new comes down onto this allotment site, I always say to them, trim it down, cover it over, and work a bit at a time. It doesn't matter how long it takes you, just do a tiny bit at a time. It's took me 16 years to get to the top of my allotment, and there's still improvements that I want to make down here at the plot. Next up is planting without checking the season. Now, certain things need planting at certain times, so it's always good to check the seed packets, but obviously that doesn't mean it's necessarily in your area. And like, it's March now, and I won't be planting my sweet corn, my runner beans, my French beans until next month, because it's still too early to be starting them. So check the seasons and check when to actually plant stuff. Don't start stuff off too early. Ignoring planting spacing. Now, that's one thing that I always do. I try and squeeze as much in as possible, and it doesn't always work because it's so hard to weed in between and keep on top of the weeds, and certain plants need lots of root space, so make sure you don't overplant. Less planting produces more harvest sometimes, so don't overplant and don't think, oh, I can just squeeze that in here. It doesn't always work. Forgetting to label, my biggest mistake I always make. I think, oh, I'll remember what that is, but when you've got a broccoli, a cabbage, a cauliflower, they all look the same. The same goes for courgettes, squash and pumpkins. They all look the same until they actually start producing. So yeah, make sure that you do label, and don't think I'll stick my packet underneath because it'll disintegrate. I've done that in the past, and then you forget what it is. Overwatering. Don't overwater. Only water when it seems to have dried out, and too much water can cause root rot and cause issues further down the line. So don't overwater, only water as and when needed. Expecting perfect results. Now, I'm still expecting perfect results every year. One year I might do really well at something, and something might grow fantastic, and think, oh, I've managed to learn how to do that now. Try it again the next year. It doesn't work. So don't expect big results. Just be happy with what you get, and if you get a harvest, fantastic. If you don't, you can try again next year, or maybe the same year if you've got time. But yeah, don't expect big results. Just be happy with what you produce and what you get from the allotment. So for more tips and advice, make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our advice. Until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.